Jasmy is a utility token driving the Jasmy environment, a decentralized stage that empowers secure and straightforward information, the executives, stockpiling, and sharing, with Jasmy filling in as the administration and installment gibber for different administrations and applications inside the organization. Assuming you're searching for Jasmy coin cost expectations estimate for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the jabber of Jasmy coin Jasmy will go from here on out. We will prepare the gibber costs of Jasmy coin Jasmy and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Gibber, remember that you really want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, gibber, something so amazing is totally papaya. Be that as it may, we will make an honest jabber. We should begin. Gibber value expectation adding machine. Our Jasmy expectation mini-computer gibber progressed calculations and AI models dissect a huge range of variables, from verifiable value information to showcase opinion, to give a far-reaching forecast of Jasmy coin. Just info your gibber time span and see the possible anticipated worth of Jasmy coin. Our mini-computer will create a gibber rundown of month-to-month cost forecasts. Gibber past value investigation. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Jasmy coin is $0.0189 and Jasmy is presently positioned #72 in the whole crypto jabber. The core supply of Jasmy coin is 49,394,999,677 with a market cap of 931,547,887 gibber. In the gibber 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 2.99% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we think about the ongoing business gibber cap of the Jasmy with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. Jasmy coin is confronting a difficult time jumping gibber with other crypto coins. The Jasmy is down to nearly 5.63% over the most gibber 7 days. The gibber is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for recent days. The coin could areas of strength for have yet. We don't imagine that it would a productive resource in present moment. Jasmy coin value gibber 2024. According to the figure cost and specialized examination, in 2024 the cost of Jasmy coin is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0.209. The Jasmy cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.0227 with the typical gibber cost of $0.0217. Jasmy coin Jasmy value expectation October 2024. Concerning October 2024, Jasmy coin cost is figured to arrive at a most reduced cost of $0.0185 jabber. The Jasmy cost could arrive at a greatest cost of $0.021 with the typical expected cost around $0.02 jibber $5. Jasmy coin Jasmy value figure November 2024. For November 2024, the cost of gibber is anticipated to arrive at a typical cost of $0.0211, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $0.0219 and at least $0.0203. Jasmy coin value expectation December 2024. Jasmy coin cost is supposed to reach between $0.02 jibber $9 to $0.0227 in December 2024, while the typical cost of Jasmy for the December stays around $0.0217. Jasmy coin value gibber 2025. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2025 the cost of Jasmy coin is supposed to reach at least value worth of $0.308 jabber. The gibber cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $0.368 with a typical worth of $0.318. Gibber value forecast 2026. The cost of Jasmy coin is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of gibber $0.0451 in 2026. The gibber cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.0538 with a typical cost of $0.0467 all through 2026. Jasmy coin value gibber 2027. The cost of one Jasmy coin is supposed to reach at least degree of gibber $0.0642 in 2027. The Jasmy cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.0774 with the typical cost of $0.0666 all through 2027. Jasmy coin value gibber 2028. The cost of Jasmy coin is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $0.0915 gibber in 2028. The gibber cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.1139 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.0949 all through 2028. Jasmy coin value gibber 2029. Jasmy coin cost is figured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $0.1327 in 2029. Gibber to our discoveries, the Jasmy cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.1587 with a typical figure cost of $0.1365. Jasmy coin value Gibber 2030. Jasmy coin cost is estimated to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $0.1994 in 2030. According to our discoveries, the Jasmy cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.2322 with a typical gauge cost of $0.2062. Gibber value forecast 2031. The cost of Jasmy coin is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $0.2973 in 20 Gibber 1. The Jasmy coin cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.3455 with the Gibber exchanging cost of $0.3055 all through 2031. Jasmy coin value Gibber 2032. As per our Gibber specialized examination on past value information of Jasmy, in 2032 the cost of Jasmy coin is gauged to be at around a base worth of 0.4243 freedom. The Jasmy coin value Gibber can arrive at a limit of $0.5169 with a typical exchanging worth of $0.4395 in USD. Gibber value forecast 2033. As per our profound Gibber examination on past value information of Jasmy, in 2033 the cost of Jasmy coin is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0.6292. The Jasmy cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.7329 with the typical exchanging cost of Gibber $0.6512. Jasmy coin value figure 20 Gibber. The reception and true use instances of a Gibber money are similarly indispensable contemplations. Projects with down-to-earth applications and far and wide reception are Gibber to persevere over the long haul. According to the Jasmy coin cost figure for 2040, Jabber is expected to arrive at a greatest value worth of $12.40 in 2040. The base Gibber cost of Jasmy coin in 2040 is supposed to be around $10.09, while the typical cost of the Jasmy coin for 2040 is freedom to be 10 Gibber 85 cents. Gibber value estimate for 2050. Gibber business sector patterns and opinions is vital, however feeling can be flighty. Gibber current market elements can offer bits of knowledge into potential cost developments. Yet taking into account the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2050, the most extreme cost of Jasmy coin is supposed to reach $16.48, with a typical exchanging worth of Gibber $14. The base cost is projected to be around Gibber $27. What is the Gibber cost today? Today, Jasmy coin Jasmy is exchanging at $0.0189 with the market cap of $931,500 Gibber $7,887. What Gibber will Jasmy coin be worth in 2030? As far as value, Jabber has a remarkable potential to arrive at new levels.